Warning: this video contains valid EAS tones. Do not attempt to broadcast these. I'm not responsible for the misuse of the EAS. Do not broadcast these because it will cause a fine of $1 million or either more, or even jail. Please do not do this as a prank. Seriously. And also, this is a work of fiction. All of the games listed on this EAS are in a popular game, Roblox. Anyways, enjoy. If you don't like this content, just click out of the video. Consider liking and subscribing for support.
The following message has been issued by the request of the National Meteorological Agency. At 2 p.m. New Yeller Standard Time, a magnitude 4.6 earthquake has been issued for following provinces: Livetopia, Bloxburg, Berry Avenue and Bayview. All citizens are advised to get to a safe place until all clear is given. It might be a chance of a fear of a tsunami. When the earthquake ends, you have 45 minutes to get to high ground. Stay safe and good luck.
El siguiente mensaje ha sido emitido a solicitud de la Agencia Meteorológica Nacional. A las 2 de la tarde, hora estándar de New Yeller. Se ha emitido un terremoto de magnitud 4.6 para las siguientes provincias: Livetopia, Bloxburg, Berry Avenue y Bayview. Se recomienda a todos los ciudadanos que se dirijan a un lugar seguro hasta que todo esté despejado. Podría ser una posibilidad de miedo a un tsunami. Cuando termine el terremoto, tienes 45 minutos para llegar a un terreno elevado. Mantente a salvo y buena suerte.